had some really good questions on a permutations problem that I worked, and that's because we were using the calculator, and I understand you want to know what that calculator is doing, and that's fantastic. So I'm going to show you what the calculator was doing. This is a smaller problem than the one I worked because doing it by hand would take forever. So in this problem, we're going to have 5 artists, and their names are A, B, C, D, and E, and we're going to award them places first, second, and third. I want to know how many different ways are there for these 5 people to win first, second, and third place. Well, first let's get them grouped into 3s. So if I start with A and B, I could say, well, there's ABC, there's ABD, and ABE. All right, then let's move to what if I had A and C together? Well, there could be ACD and ACE. All right, now what if I still had A, but I went to D and E? And that's all of your groups with A first. So now let's go to B. All right, I could have BCD. I could have BCE. I could also have BDE. And you see we have fewer choices there. And then the last one, if I started with C, I could only do C, D, and E. So I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 different groupings that I could have. All right, now let's just pick any group. I'll just pick C, D, and E, and let's see how many different ways are there to arrange first, second, and third place. Now this is where some people get confused. All right, if C is the first one, how many options do I have for C to win? 3. It could be first, or second, or third. So this one has all 3 options. All right, now if this one has already gotten a place, how many choices do I have for D? You only have 2 choices for D because one of them has already been used. And then for E, there's only 1 choice. So if I've got 3 plus 2 plus 1, what is that? 6. So if each group has 6 different ways to arrange the first, second, and third, and I have 10 groups, then my permutation is 60. So there's 60 ways for these 5 people to come in first, second, and third. Okay? I hope that helped clear up some of those questions.